The devil's in the details. For scale modelers, train enthusiasts, and warhammer hobbyists, among others, it's about more than just assembly. It's about bringing your creations to life, telling a story, and capturing the essence of a weathered, battle-worn world. But achieving that authentic, rusted, aged effect, that's a challenge. Traditional methods are messy, complicated, unpredictable, and can often damage delicate parts. You want realism, but without the risk. Introducing the Wetwork Kustoms Rusted Weathering Effects Kit, the revolutionary solution designed specifically for the discerning hobbyist. This isn't just an aged look creator, it's a precision tool for creating stunningly realistic natural rust effects. The Rusted Kit's controlled formula allows you to apply rust with pinpoint accuracy, building layers and textures that tell a story. Whether you're aging a locomotive, detailing a miniature tank, car, or adding battle damage to your warhammer figures, the Rusted Kit gives you the control you need. Imagine achieving that perfect, weathered look without the mess and frustration. The Wetwork Kustoms Rusted Weathering Effects Kit's gentle yet effective formula works on a variety of materials, from plastic and resin to metal, cardboard, and especially over pre-painting items. It allows for controlled application, so you can create subtle rust gradients or dramatic, heavy, corroded weathering. Build up layers for depth using the blackwash, or apply sparingly for a light, aged effect. The Rusted Kit lets you create unique, realistic finishes that elevate your projects to a new level. It is the tool that lets you bring your vision to life. Applying the Wetwork Kustoms Rusted Weathering Effects. Kit is simple and precise and as easy as 1, 2, 3. Use a fine brush, a sponge, or even an airbrush for detailed applications. Watch as the formula transforms the surface, creating authentic rust textures and colors. The controlled reaction means you can stop the process at any time, achieving the exact level of weathering you desire. If you don't like what you see, just wipe it off with a damp rag. And because it's designed for delicate projects, the Rusted Kit minimizes the risk of damage, ensuring your creations stay intact. Unlock your creative potential and bring your models to life with the Wetwork Kustoms Rusted Weathering Effects Kit. Visit the Wetwork Kustoms website at wetworkkustoms.com to get more information, see examples, and learn how the Rusted Kit can transform your hobby projects. Join the community of hobbyists who are using Rusted to create stunning, realistic finishes. Elevate your craft and capture the details, weathering made precisely as you want it.